Hello everybody, welcome back to Intel NCERT Solutions. In this lecture we are going to learn about probability of class 12 exercise 13.2 question number 16. In a hostel, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper and 40% of them read English newspaper and 20% of them read both English and Hindi newspapers. A student is selected at the random. First question is, find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English newspapers. And second question is, if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. And third question is, if she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper. Let H and E denote the number of students who read Hindi and English newspapers respectively. Hence, probability of H, that is the probability of students who read Hindi, that is equals to 60 by 100, that is equals to 3 by 5. And also probability of E, that is probability of students who read the English newspaper, that is equals to 40 divided by 100, that is equals to 2 divided by 5. And the probability of H intersection E, that is the probability of the students who read Hindi and English both, that is equals to, so both people who are the common are 20 divided by 100, that is 1 by 5. So first question is, find the probability that she reads Hindi, she reads neither Hindi nor English newspapers, that is probability of H dash intersection E dash. As we can write neither H nor E, that is in the form as H union E dash. So again we can write as probability, this can be written as probability of H union E whole dash, this can be written as 1 minus probability of H union E. So that is equals to again 1 minus probability of H plus probability of E minus probability of H intersection E. So let us substitute the values. We get 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So we got that 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equals to 1 by 5. If B is the question, if she reads the Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads the English newspaper. Probability of E by H, that is Hindi newspaper reading has already occurred and the probability that she reads the English newspaper is it to find. So that is equals to probability of H intersection E divided by probability of H, that is equals to 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. Therefore, probability of E by H event is equals to 1 by 3. Third question is, if she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads the Hindi newspaper. Probability of H by E. Here, the English newspaper reading has already occurred and the probability that she reads the Hindi newspaper. So we have to find that is equals to probability of H intersection E divided by probability of E. So therefore that is equals to 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 5, that is equals to 1 by 2. And thank you.